If your car is making a whining noise, something might be wrong. The sound can happen while driving, turning, or even when the car is just sitting still. Here are some common reasons why your car might be whining. A whining noise while turning is usually caused by a problem with the power steering system. One of the most common reasons is low power steering fluid. Steering fluid can make the pump work harder and create a whining sound. You can try topping off the fluid with the correct type to see if that fixes the problem. If the noise continues after adding fluid, it is important to have a mechanic inspect the problem. This helps prevent further damage and ensures your steering remains safe and smooth. Low or old transmission fluid can also cause a whining noise, especially while accelerating or shifting gears. If the fluid level is too low, or if the fluid is dirty and worn out, it cannot do its job properly. To check the condition, remove the dipstick and place a drop on a clean microfiber cloth. If the fluid looks brown, it is dirty. Compare it with new fluid. Fresh transmission fluid is usually pink or red. To check the level, remove the transmission dipstick while the engine is warm and running. Then wipe it clean, reinsert it, and pull it out again to see the level. If you hear this noise, it is important to replace or refill it as needed to avoid serious damage. Also check under the vehicle for small power steering fluid leaks. Look closely at the couplers and hose connections, especially where the lines meet. If everything looks good there, continue inspecting around the bellows boots. Gently open the boots to check for any signs of fluid inside. If you find fluid, it usually indicates a leak from the power steering rack itself. Be sure to check both sides and inspect the high-pressure lines as well. If you find any leaks or damage, it is best to have the system repaired as soon as possible. This helps prevent further problems and reduces the risk of losing power steering while driving. Whining from the wheels is often caused by worn wheel bearings. This sound usually gets louder as you drive faster and may change when you turn the steering wheel. In some cases, the noise can also come from uneven tire wear or a brake problem, like a stuck caliper. If the sound is coming from just one side of the car, it is more likely to be a bad wheel bearing. Get it checked soon, as driving with a damaged bearing or brake problem is unsafe and can cause more damage. Some whining noises are small problems, but others can be more serious. If you are not sure what is causing the sound, it is a good idea to have a mechanic look at it, to stay safe and avoid bigger repairs.